Kintoz POS Presentation. How to manage your inventory system easily. Access inventory with detailed information and quantity. Inventory dashboard with filter. Inventory list with quantity on hand, stock balance, and cost. Item profile information and features. Item kits. Bill of materials, ingredients, recipe. Add-ons. Additional order, optional order, extra order, and upgrade order. Movement history of the inventory. Item logs. Activity log for updating, editing of the item profile. Quantity on hand. Remaining balances for serial numbers with available quantity and sold.